is hurting.
Stay with him.
Is it working?
Yeah, stay with him. The muskeg. Not gonna tell you we're on the muskeg. Nice guy.
Oh, he's pulling me.
Play him out. Play him out.
Oh, look at that.
Play him out.
Hey. Oh, what a fight. Don't lose him. Please don't lose him. Holy shit, guy. He's pulling me. Oh my gosh, Lloyd.
That is wicked. Play him out. Play him out.
I'm trying.
He's got to be a good size.
Oh, oh, man, look at him.
Hang on to him. Hang on to him. Oh yeah, he's a nice size, Tyrone. Oh yeah, you're gonna be liking this one. Don't lose him.
I'm trying not to.
Oh, this is a fish.
Oh yeah, look at that.
This is a fish. I just come back from there, fish. Oh yeah.
Oh my God, he is like totally freaking fooling me.
There he is. That is wicked.
Is that me? Hello? Like me? Oh, he's fooling me again.
Oh, don't lose him. Play him out.
That. Oh, he's like a freaking 5-pounder. He's freaking fooling me.
He don't want to go. Whoa. He's a nice size, man.
Watch out, Mike. Watch out, Mike.
Play him out,
I
Tyrone.
need a net.
Get over here where there's no branches. Keep coming this way. Keep coming towards me. Watch my rods. You're going to step on them. Yeah, and play him out here.
Holy frick.
Nice size. Oh,
Boys, when I get him up here, man.
I'm trying to get this on film. Oh, he's going to go. Play him out some more, Tyrone. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's a nice size.
Oh, please, God, let me get him in. Father God, please let me get him in.
Holy, I got a good shot of him here. Want me to grab him?
Watch out, watch out, watch out!
Don't lose him, guy. Play him out, play him out. He looks like a shark when I'm filming it.
We need a net.
Just play him out. Hey, think you can,
You videoing this?
Oh yeah. God, is that a big fish?
Okay, watch out, watch out.
That is a huge fish. I can grab him, bro.
Grab him, not.
Bring him over, bring him over.
Take one for the boys. Grab him, Lloyd, grab him.
I tried
Grab his tail. Oh, that's a freaking Dolly Varden guy. Okay. Hold him, hold him, hold him.
I got him. That is a big dolly. Got him. I gotta get some video of this. You got him?
Yeah.
No one's gonna believe this.
That's a Dolly Varden.
And sorry for the bad filming, but I had to help him out. Awesome, brother. Awesome.
How's that for a fish?
Out on the Muskeg, not telling you where.